to use one of Snapchat's fun face lenses, open Snapchat, and then tap the smiley face icon to bring up the lens carousel. The carousel is a scrollable list of filters that apply special effects to your face in real time. Tap any of the lenses in the carousel to see how you look. Some lenses require you do certain things with your face to activate the effect, such as open your mouth or look around. To check out even more lenses, tap the Explore icon at the bottom right corner to open the Lens Explorer, where you'll find tons of lenses made by the Snapchat community members. Once you've selected a lens, tap the Capture button to take a photo, or tap and hold the button to record a video. To add even more style to your snap, add creative color and location filters. Swipe across your new snap to see which filters are available. If you haven't turned on location filters, you'll be prompted to do so as you swipe through the filter list. Location filters, also called geofilters, let you choose filters based on your current location, such as your neighborhood or college campus. You can even layer multiple filters on a single snap by tapping the layer icon after selecting each filter. You can layer up to 3 filters on a photo snap and up to 5 on a video snap.